Hi guys, welcome back to another episode of Gardening with Creations by DX & Co. Today will be the final video in the Earth Week 2020 series. The thing that we're talking about today is recycling our water. So as you see behind me here, I've got a fish tank here and a fish tank here. What I'm going to do here is I'm actually going to drain the water out of this fish tank. I no longer have any fish in it. I've actually moved them up to here. So with that, I want to recycle this water and water my plants with it. So what I do with that in particular is fill up my watering cans, both my homemade watering can that we did a video on in this Earth Week series, which you can check out after this, and my regular watering can. So I'm going to fill both of those up so I can reuse this water to water my plants. Fish tank water or used fish tank water is full of phosphates and nitrates that are fantastic for watering your plants, both indoor and outdoor plants with. So that's one of the methods that we use. So I'm going to show you exactly how I do that today. Just basically take my drainage hose, get a good siphon started, and there you go. I'm off to I'm now filling up my watering can that I can use to water my plants with. So, simple guys to recycle your water. Some other ideas that you can use to recycle water in your household if you don't have a fish tank. Certainly wouldn't take a lot to invest in a fish tank. They're very peaceful. A lot of people find that, much like gardening, it's relaxing to keep fish. They're fun to stare at, and it also gives great benefits to your garden. But if you're not into keeping fish, that's okay too. One of the other things that you can recycle water is boiled pots. So boiling your noodles, steaming boiling your vegetables. So boiled water is actually something that you want to let cool off, and then you can actually put it in your garden. So a lot of people find that, if they scoop the noodles out, whatever, then that water that's left over is a great way to reuse that in your gardens and water your plants with without wasting water. So another great tip for recycling water. And one of the other methods for recycling water is actually rain barrel collection. Having a rain barrel in your garden is a great way to save water and reuse the water that is coming out of the sky. Plants love rainwater. It's something about the different materials in rainwater is certainly a lot more beneficial than just regular water from your hose. So if you can find ways to save rainwater, it's always a great thing to have to water your plants. I'll be starting a rain barrel this summer, and I'll show you guys how we do that. We'll be doing a DIY rain barrel, and I'll show you guys how we do that as well as soon as we're able to get to the store and get some parts going for that. One of the things to keep in mind though is that not every state and or county allows for rainwater collection, so please check with your local zoning codes to make sure you are allowed to harvest rainwater. It's up to you guys which method of recycling water you want to do. But I do recommend it. Your plants love it. There's a lot of nutrients in those waters that you can be giving back to your plants and helpful growing in the long run. So there you have it, guys. Just a short, quick video on recycling the things around that you can use. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the video, hit the notification bell for more future content. If you want to check out that rain barrel in the future, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And if you guys, I hope you guys are always staying safe and enjoying your gardens.